Sorry, I had issues uploading the video to the to YouTube. So I'm trying to create a very short video for this. Yeah, I will be walking you through the development of this SAS that the test that I was given that I built with Node.js, which includes user registration, OTM-based, OTP-based, MFA, role-based access control. Also, so first of all, I ran the command to create my project. Yeah, with some packages, setting up the environments and then dependencies, routing, and the rest. Let's quickly visit the package.json. These are the packages Anxious for calling an API. Then ByScript for encrypting. Yeah, and crypto.js.env for handling the what's called the env environmental file. Then express for routings, express rate limit for rate limiters. Yeah. Joy for sorry about my voice, something. So the joy for joy, I don't know, that's how it's been pronounced. I'm not sure I got it right, but I also installed YAML file, JSON Web Token Mongoose, which is our database. Node Telegram bot API, which used to implement the bots API notification for Telegram. Speak Easy that comes with the package. Swagger UI Express. Yeah, this YML and this Swagger UI Express actually was used to for the documentation of the APIs. The Twilio for notification, which text message, and also WhatsApp. For this case, I used it for WhatsApp and so on, which and hosting daily rotate file. It's no daemon for whenever there is a change. If I made any changes, it helps to kind of like I don't need to restart the whole this thing application, so that to be very faster and in a nutshell, just live reloading during development. So my directory, if you look at the right side, you see the direct folder. Yeah, I have the form config folder. I have the controllers, we hold state controllers, the log, which holds the error reporting. You can see these are error logs by the day. Each day, so it's for every day the error log creates a generator file and then logs it. So middleware, I have a middleware here, I have the models, and I have the route system. This node modules, we all know that it's just the packages that was installed. So I have the routes, I have the services, I have the Swagger, I have the utils and validations. So this is just it's just kind of like a modular structure, yeah, which kind of like the models for data, just to make sure that everything is one thing at a time. Each file does one thing at a time. Yeah, so I
I went ahead and configure my DB, which is this. I'm actually using the remote the remote Mongoose cloud with their services, yeah. So which is MongoDB. I configured everything. So this is, I placed my URI, which was generated while creating the application. So this is it. I had to refresh. Yeah, I think I flushed out. Let me refresh the page. So I created the clusters here. Cluster. Yeah, and let me see. Let me drop this. Since I want to make a fresh distance, so let's make a fresh display of it. So let me just clear out all the data that could be lying around. Yeah. So now, so that's just my configurations. This is where I have my configurations of the Mongoose. Yeah, which is just virtually this. Yeah, then I went ahead and created my schemas models. I went ahead and this is my user schemas. If you can notice, I have the username, passcode, UUID, role, phone. Yeah, created that. Then the Telegram username for the Telegram login. So this method is this other schema is just to generate my auth token after you've confirmed your token. So I also created an OTP schema. So this is it, using Mongoose as well. To do that, we have the user ID code and expires at and created that. So sorry about it. I don't know what happens to my voice. So this schema now, it's kind of like used these services now. If you notice, this is my services. This services now is just to handle the OTP services. Is just to like any external configuration I'm making. This is where it's going to lie around. So I created an OTP services which holds the send of OTP, yeah, and verify of OTP. So now this is just it. This is virtually it, and it depends on the channel that was activated for deploy for notification, which is a WhatsApp or Telegram. Though I was having a little challenge configuring bots, so I had to disable them. Yeah. For purpose further application, it's something. Yeah, I've actually done this Telegram. I don't know, maybe there's another security feature that has been applied, so which is preventing me. So I don't have much time to investigate further. Also, this WhatsApp as well. I'm not actually configured this WhatsApp, but I have an idea of it using. That's why I installed what's it called, Twilio, to handle that, because they have the API for that. So I have little challenges configuring it on Twilio, and I don't have time. I had to submit this ASCP. So that's just that. Now let's go to the flow, authentication flow. Yeah, let's go to the authentication flows. So I think I've talked about this. Okay, this is this Telegram services which handles, the connection to the Telegram, sending of token, which is the OTP, and this is the WhatsApp, which handles the sending of the notification, verification. Yeah,
there's this if you Twilio, there's this verification which you can